अब अपने को क्रॉस करने कोई दिक्कत नहीं। So this is the Delhi highway. Actually, I was just visiting here, and suddenly it came extremely late, and I just got wet, and now I reached to the dry place where there is actually no rain actually. So the journey was actually amazing, but I got extremely wet due to raining, and we had nothing. And in a bike trip, you cannot save yourself if if there is not any kind of place. So but the journey was memorable, and really I liked it. So hopefully if I come again, definitely I will try to go more long than this time. Yeah, so thank you. Bye bye.